Welcome back. You are now looking at gmail.com and we are inside of a Gmail mailbox. And if you actually receive email through your Gmail account, you will be able to achieve productivity through a few apps that work outside of Gmail. Now, these are actually called extensions. And you're going to be able to find them inside of Google Chrome. And if you go to the extension store and type in Gmail, you'll see a number of extensions that you can add to Google Chrome that will help you to gain more from Gmail. Now, in this video, we're going to focus on two in particular. The first is actually called Actions for Gmail. So if you go to the extension store and type in Actions for Gmail, you'll be able to come to this extension, and then you're going to click Add to Chrome. Actions for Gmail is going to ask for some permission and give you a notification. You're going to click Add Extension. Now note, this is considered to be beta software and a free trial, and they say that in the future you may be asked to pay a fee for ongoing use. Now once you know that, then you can begin to use the software. So you do have some options that you're going to get inside of the extension. We're actually going to click all of these and then click Save. Now, what the extension does is adds 4 buttons to your Gmail. You'll notice that you have an Archive tab, you have a Mark as Spam tab, you have a Toggle Read and Unread tab, and then you have a Delete tab. And what this does is this gives you a handy set of buttons to do some of the frequently required tasks with your Gmail very quickly so that you can move through your inbox. So what we're going to do in this case, we're just going to use the button and then we can move fairly quickly. Now the second external extension is actually called Email Dictation, and we're going to take a look at that right now. Email Dictation is actually also a Chrome extension. So if you type in Email Dictation into your Chrome store, you'll find the plugin and then you'll click Add to Chrome. Email Dictation will ask for some permissions. You're going to click Add Extension. And then the plugin will tell you it has been added to Chrome. So now what we're going to do is head back to our inbox. We're going to refresh our box. And what we're going to do now is we're going to compose an email. And when we open up the compose box, we're going to notice that there is a mic at the bottom. We're going to click this mic. And you may notice a notification here at the top that says that Google wants to use your mic. What you may be noticing as I speak is that the typing is actually reflecting what I am saying. So this is a great way to be able to use the Google Dictation voice typing program inside of Gmail. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.